Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is week 20 of 2023 and today we'll be discussing some of the key events that happened last week and also the market outlook for the upcoming week. So let's get started. So on a week to week basis, Nifty has performed really well this week and it is up by 1.36%, which is close to 250 points, and it closed at 18,315 level. And Bank Nifty is up by 2.6% by recovering all the losses it made a week before, and it has closed around 43,800 level. So a great week for Indian market. This week in India, the focus was completely on the Karnataka election, and Congress has owned the majority votes in Karnataka, and they will be forming the government now. So we have to see that how market will react on this news on Monday onwards. But initially the exit poll result was also in line with the actual result, and on Friday we have already factored in this Congress win a little bit, and market was reacting positively, so we are expecting a positive outlook only. Now coming back to some of the news flow, so we have India inflation data coming out on Friday for April month, and it came at a very good number of 4.7% compared to March data, which is 5.7%. And US inflation is also coming down, which came at 4.9%. So market is really looking good on this front. And then we had Tata Motors Q4 result, and it really beat the expectation in terms of its EBIT margin and net profit. So the revenue came around 1.05 lakh crores, which is an increase of 35% year on year, and a net profit, that is PAT, came at 5,410 crores compared to a loss of 1,032 crores last quarter FY 2022. So a great comeback for Tata Motors, and the most problematic part of their business was JLR division, Jaguar Land Rover, and that has come back with a positive EBIT margin after a long time, and the expectation was 6%, and the jailer EBIT margin came at 6.5%, which is a great news for Tata Motors, and the overall EBIT margin is 13.3%. Promoter outlook is also very optimistic for Tata Motors, and they are also working heavily on the electrification division, and they will be investing heavily on that front. And they have also declared a dividend after a long time. Last time it was 2016 when they declared a dividend of 20 paisa, and this year they have declared a dividend of 2 rupees, which is a great comeback for Tata Motors and overall auto sector. Now coming back to next week, so next week we don't have much of the economic data. We have some of the major companies. ITC will be declaring the result, and State Bank of India will be coming with the result. So State Bank of India, if we see for last 1 or 2 weeks, it is not performing well. So the result of SBI will be a major set point how Bank Nifty will be performing in coming days, and Bank of Baroda will also be coming with the result. And we have some of the PSU result coming along with it, like NTPC and all. So we will also be looking into those results. But the major point to look at is how market is reacting with the Congress win in Karnataka, and market will supposed to react on this probably on the first half of the week, that is Monday to Wednesday. And once it get its direction clear, we can set forward a outlook for the upcoming years before 2024 election. But coming to the short term outlook for next week, I don't think we will see a huge bearishness or something in market. All the data points are looking good, and we are really recovering in economic terms also. So 18,000 on the lower side will be a very strong support for Nifty as of now, and we have to closely watch where Nifty is opening tomorrow. And as per as SGX Nifty is concerned, it is showing a 40-50 points gap down opening, but it hasn't considered the Karnataka election result in it. So if the market is opening flat to slightly positive tomorrow, I think we will see a up move in upcoming 1 or 2 weeks, and Nifty can even touch 18,500 level in a short term basis. But if we open gap down, and if the gap down is sustaining for tomorrow, then we can see a pullback till 18,000, and from there we have to decide that where we will be going in next 6 to 8 months. So that is the outlook. Time to be very cautious at least for another 1 or 2 weeks before market sets its direction, and then accordingly we have to take the trades and positions. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next week.